up, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel, Don5280. So for today, I will be doing an install that's not really that extensive. It's actually really small. And also for my last upload, so I forgot to actually honk the horn for the aftermarket. So yeah, I'll go back to the old clip and then I'll do the horn for you guys. As you can tell, it was very loud. And all right. So for today's video, I'll be installing these mud flaps from Riley Armor. They're the universal kind, as I didn't feel like spending $100 just for mud flaps that might just get damaged and fly out anyway. Because I've had these before in my previous car and I've lost like one of them. So at that point, it's like, what's the point of spending $100 when you can just spend $15 and get the universal kind and just, you know, just install them on. And if they get lost, it was just 15 bucks, so, you know, still good. Alright guys, first we're gonna jack up the car. You don't necessarily need a jack to do this install. I've done it before in a lower car with no jack. You just need to turn the steering wheel either left or right for whichever side you're doing. You do the opposite. So let's get to it. Okay, I know you guys won't be able to tell, but I marked it up with the factory holes on the bumpers so that I can puncture the holes. So I can put the, what is it? I'm going to put a, let's see. I got a bunch of these tabs right here. Might need something a little bit better, like these ones. They're long and they're really strong, so I'll probably put these through instead. So I'll start by drilling my holes. So to expedite this, I use both rear ones. So I mark them all at once so they can just end up in the same spot. So when you do the front, you do the same thing, just put it in reverse or like facing each other. Make sure the emblems are facing each other, facing opposite direction of each other, and go ahead and drill through and it should land on the same hole. So you can just do it, you just drill once, you know, you don't have to keep going over and over and keep checking. Alright, here we go. Both holes, you know, in both opposite directions. So let me put it on and I'll show you guys what I do. Let's put this one on first. So these two. I'm gonna use a hammer to actually pound them in. And there we go. I'm leaving it poking out for a reason. Because I got future plans coming for this car. And I brought them up a lot higher because I plan on lowering the car sometime soon. Actually really soon. So here it goes. Goes into that mounting hole right there, not coming off. Alright, and I'll do the same step for the next and should be good to go. So I just put the subie out, so now I'm about to show you guys the finished product. And by the way, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you give me a fat thumbs up if you like this video.
Dom 5280.